Welcome back to the workshop. As you can tell from the empty walls behind me, the process of moving out is well underway. And so I'm going to take a break from that. I've got one set of shelves left to come down and go onto the trailer. I'm going to take a break from that and actually get the motor and gearbox into the car. Gradually bringing everything I need for this car up to this end of the workshop and everything that's going down that end. So gearbox, motor over there, battery box ready to go back in, mounting frame, charger, inverter, heater, all down there. Got the car up on jacks, so I've got some space to move underneath. Not an awful lot, but I need a little bit of space to hook up the drive shaft and put in the gearbox mounts and stuff like that. Got a chain mounted on here to lift this with. So I'm going to get that up in the air, get it roughly fitted. I'll show you in a sec. I've done some more welding and just tidied up the engine mount or the motor mount. So it should look a little bit neater. Not be able to do all the nice tweaks I wanted, but got one of them done at least. There you go, that's the front end. You can see, well, power steering pump's sort of in the way, but you can see one of the pins located, and the one on the side engine mount is located as well. I could, of course, get rid of this one because I'm not using it now, which I probably will at some point. Let's get some light down here. You can see the newly painted engine mount. Put some extra welds on there just to stiffen it up a little bit. It was fine before, but you know, it's prettier now. Not my best welding, but then again, I don't know, I shouldn't blame my tools. But my welder really is giving up the ghost. I'll see whether it comes with me. It probably will. But new garage, new welder is probably going to be the mantra. Right, time to get round the back and get the gearbox mount in. I probably won't film that because it's a bugger to do and it's not very comfortable under there. But you'll see this nice and straight in a minute. Well, it's done. God, the camera's actually so close to my face I can't tell if it's focusing or not. I always forget what a ball ache of a job this is without a lift. There's really not much room to manoeuvre around here. And you've got to do awkward stuff like get the gear linkage in. Ignore my horribly modified gear linkage, I'll fix that at some point. You've got to get the guibo in, a guibo, whatever. You've got to get the prop shaft to align with the middle of the thing. The thing, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, this took far longer than I expected, but it is in. Must remember to put some more oil in gearbox and diff. Both lost a fair bit while they've been out and need topping up. There we go. Motor in. Just stuck one nut on there for now, but I'll tighten those up. Get the other two nuts on and torque up the these bolts through to the motor. Stuck the power steering pump in. Just had to slot these holes that the rubber bushings go, not bushings, you know what I mean, the rubber dampers go through, hang on, oh hello, in order to get them to fit. I don't know why, fitted perfectly. Before I took it apart, I need to get some nuts on there to hold it together as well. Then it's a question of getting the inverter and the heater in. Heater goes down here. Oh, can't really see, can you? There we go. Heater goes down there. Inverter goes on top. Really wanted to redo this wiring, as you can tell. It's all a bit of a mess at the moment. Maybe I can redo it while the car's in storage or on my drive, wherever it ends up at the end of next week. We shall see. But I'll have to call it a day there if I'm going to get home and get this video out. That's it for this short episode then. More EV stuff as I promised. No garage grumbling. I should show you the big pile of stuff that's on the trailer, but you'll see that when I maybe do a short video about moving it into the container and see if that goes horribly wrong. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Do subscribe and like and do all those things. Thanks for all the comments. Still really enjoying all the feedback. And catch you on the next one. Bye bye.